RHT Holding Limited, itself listed on the stock exchange of Mauritius. In 2001, we equipped the Mauritius Police Force with GPS tracking. By 2005, we introduced the first base tracking platform, iHost. We aligned our processes to become more efficient and quality oriented. We have been ISO 9001-2008 certified since 2010. We continued our expansion, and in 2012, we launched more advanced tracking systems for different types of assets and workers. In 2013 and 14, we partnered with AVL View and Geotab respectively. In 2015, we implemented the first online taxi booking platform and introduced smart connected health solutions under the brand iCare. In 2016, we went international by registering an office on the African continent in Zambia. We are also a corporate member of the Chartered Institute of Logistics and Transport, CILT, UK. To date, we are the market leader in the field in Mauritius, with more than 300 customers providing visibility for over 3,000 assets. We are now working on introducing new smart connected sensors and increasing our footprint on the African continent.
Good evening. Imagine you have a chance tonight. You have a chance tonight to get into a time machine. A time machine that can take you back 20 years in time. The year is not 2017 anymore. You are back to 1997. So, where were you at that time? I would like you to think about it. Go back 20 years in your life. How many of us had a mobile phone back then? Think about it. How many of us had a mobile phone? 1997. Some of us most probably would still be at school. Right? Others were just born. 1997. Nobody had a mobile phone back then. Come on guys. Anybody had a mobile phone? One person. 2 persons, 3, 4, maybe 5, 10 maximum. How many had internet connection? Wow, 1. Any else? Anybody else? 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe internet connection. Just to share with you, internet was released in Mauritius in 1996. So it must be a privilege having internet connection at that time. So right about that time at RHT, the late Mr. Sanjeev Govardhan, this ex-CEO of the group, wanted to have better control over his fleet of vehicles, over his buses. He wanted to know where these buses were, but he had no way of knowing that. So he shared his concerns with Dr. Siddharth Sharma, who is the actual CEO of the group and founder of ICL. Sid, at that time, he was studying in South Africa, and he came to know about the GPS technology. He shared that with Sanjeev as a proposed tool to have better control over the business. Can you imagine at that time, when mobile phone was barely available, internet connectivity was very scarce. We had the challenge of connecting about 70 to 100 buses to know where they are in real time so that we can monitor them from a central location. That was very challenging at that particular time. And this gave birth to us here. And this is what we do today. We innovate. We provide innovative solutions. We look at things that are not here, we bring them. Maybe they are there outside of Mauritius. We bring them to Mauritius. We connect your remote assets. If you're looking for something that is remote, we don't have visibility on it. So this is what we do. This is what our business is all about. And we lead the way for connected solutions. People talk a lot about IoT solutions. So IoT integration, how do you integrate different sensors into your business? So this is what we actually do. But the ride was not very easy. It was not easy all along. If you think about it, for all early adopters of technology, any type of technology, at the very early stage, people used to call it MTEL. That was a big black box. It was very expensive. It was very heavy. It was a privilege to have it. So the cost of technology was very expensive. However, at ICL, we followed our vision. We had some focus, we persevered, we knew at some point it was going to come. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank Inodis, who at that time was Happy World Foods, who was one of our first partners in 1999. As I look out in the audience today, I can see examples of our past and our future as well. We've got some new clients, we've got some potential clients who are here as well tonight. ICL's partnership with each and every one of you is a cherished and priceless accomplishment. Today we are the market leader with over 100 partners working with us, and on behalf of our board of directors and on behalf of my team, I would like to thank you. Thank you for the trust that you put into us, for being with us, for working with us, despite our high and lows. Thank you for your continuous feedbacks, because without your feedbacks, we would have become complacent. Your feedbacks have compelled us to further develop our technical expertise, to always improve on our processes. So, thank you very much. And I would like to ask a round of applause for our clients who are here. So, thank you very much. You've been with us for a very long time. But all this would not have been possible without my team. I would like to take this opportunity to acknowledge the contribution of ICL's first employees. We have Mr. Ulash Loki, who is with us tonight. Mr. Ulash? Where are you, Mr. Ulash? So here he is. Thank you for being with us, Ulash. And he's the General Manager of the National Transport Corporation today. And we also have Vishal. Where's Vishal? Vishal, where are you, my friend? Where are you hiding? Hello, Vishal. So Vishal is here. He's leading our technical team at ICL. These two guys have been with us since the very beginning in 1999 and before that. So together with Vishal, today I have a fabulous team which maintains a very positive, innovative and challenging atmosphere at the office. I'm sure that you will still remember the old days when we were working overnight, about 10 years back, doing the installations of temperature sensors in vehicles. We were working overnight and still for over a month. Working overnight, coming back the next day early morning and kept on working. My team, I'm sure you will still remember the challenge of installing the first fuel sensor, the first load sensor a couple of years back. We have so many different types of examples, so many examples of these different types of sensors that we've worked on. My Zambian team, which is represented by Presta here. Presta, where are you? Right, so my Zambian team, you will still remember your first installations you did with us, right? With you as the first mine we visited together. At ICL, the excitement of working on new technologies, getting our first customer, ensuring customer service excellence, this is what really drives us at ICL. Guys, my team, I would like to personally thank you for your contribution, your hard work and commitment. We wouldn't be here without the involvement and each of every one of you. So let's keep having fun at the office for many years to come and enjoy what we do. So thank you very much. Looking back over the past 20 years, I'm really proud. I'm really proud of what we have achieved so far. Since I joined ICL 12 years back, the vision was to be the market leader offering smart connected solutions. We wanted to use Mauritius as a test base where we could learn about the new technologies but really expand our services into the mainland Africa. This was the objective since the very early stage. Today, when I look at our plans, when I look at what we have in front of us, I'm really excited about it. It is really wonderful, and I'm going to share with you why. After our first successful venture, which came after almost 17 to 18 years of operations, we went into Zambia. We learned how to manage a business outside of Mauritius. And now we are looking at opening at least one African venture in a new country, in a new African country every year. This is our main target, so hopefully this year we'll be present in a second African country. For those in the logistics industry and using our platform, you can expect our fleet management platform to become more intelligent. And by more intelligent, we are planning to include a routing module, a scheduling and routing module. We've got a lot of requests for that, so this is coming along this year. We've also integrated solar-powered devices, which can be used in the construction sites to manage assets, for example. Over the next couple of years, you can also expect more and more devices to be connected to the internet. IKEA, which is our brand for smart connected health and wellness solutions, is already established line of business. And the team is working very hard to bring patients closer to doctors. We've got a line of products, of medical products which is connected, where doctors can remotely see how their patients are doing. We shall continue our growth by innovating, connecting, and leading the way for IoT integration. We shall also be taking our customer experience, our relationship with you to the next level. During the course of this year, you will have the opportunity to log your own tickets directly through the internet. We are moving our CRM online so that you can have better visibility of all the tickets that you've logged with us and watch the progress. From its birth 20 years ago to date, ICL has grown from a startup to become a market leader in the field of GPS and fleet management. We are now at the point of embarking into an exciting and challenging future. My call to you tonight, ladies and gentlemen, with your partnership and support, and to my staff, with your commitment, hard work and dedication, let's make this vision a reality. Having said this, I would like to welcome you all tonight to celebrate our 10th anniversary.
Members of the board, directors, guests, thank you very much for being with us tonight. I know 21st of December, it's not easy to invest some time. Donc merci. Je crois que Ajmal a tout dit sur ICL. C'est un peu notre flagship. Ça n'a pas été un long fleuve tranquille. On a même la technologie, on pense toujours que les gens sont réfractaires à adopter une technologie. Ça a pris son temps. Il y a un ancien membre de notre board qui nous disait qu'il ne fallait pas avaler une patate chaude en une seule fois, au risque de se faire brûler. Donc il faut le manger en petits morceaux. Et aujourd'hui, on est très fiers de l'équipe de ICL qui fait partie du venture. Au RHT, on sait que avec l'avènement du métro, il y aura des grands chamboulements. Ça donne encore plus d'importance à RHT Venture pour la diversification. On est une compagnie de transport, mais on se considère qu'on travaille dans le secteur de la mobilité. ICL fait partie au niveau technologique de la mobilité. On a créé une autre compagnie qui fait du cashless system dans le transport, la carte Filao. On est le premier, on est le premier assez souvent. On a 2400 personnes qui ont la carte aujourd'hui. Le taux d'adoption est d'environ de 700-800 passagers par jour. Ils utilisent la carte pour voyager. Et avec l'avènement du métro, dans les 3 ans, je crois que les dés sont déjà jetés, on aura 300 000 personnes qui utiliseront la carte de prépaid. Donc, le secteur devant ça va changer drastiquement la façon qu'on opère dans le secteur. Secteur de paiement, secteur de voyageurs, secteur de mobilité. Toujours dans la section de mobilité qu'on se considère, on a MyChauffeur, que certains d'entre vous peut-être connaissent. C'est peut-être, on fait un peu du social responsibility. Le chauffeur vient vous prendre chez vous, ou là où vous le demandez, à n'importe quelle heure, et vous accompagne à la maison. C'est un service vraiment extraordinaire. Aujourd'hui, en pleine soirée, si quelqu'un le souhaite, il y a des chauffeurs qui sont présents aujourd'hui pour vous accompagner dans votre voiture. Ça fait 2 ans qu'on opère et ça marche très bien. On pense que ça va continuer à croître. Donc c'est ça un peu le rôle de RHC Ventures, c'est de prendre l'exemple de LCM et demander aux autres compagnies, ben voilà, il faut qu'on bouge et on regarde l'avenir avec confiance. On a plein d'espoir pour le pays et pour nous-mêmes. Et je pense que à Maurice, le bon sens a toujours prévalu, avec toutes nos différences, avec les autorités, avec nous-mêmes. Mais on finit par s'asseoir autour d'une table et on doit avoir les deux bonsoirs. On ne considère pas l'avènement du métro comme la fin du monde pour nous. Au contraire, c'est une opportunité qui devrait se dégager et se réinventer. Voilà un peu ce que je voudrais vous dire. Je vais laisser Let the show begin.